Yeah, this is like really a different kind of video. Y'all, it's almost time for me to be a G-mom.
Almost time.
So we have maybe about 5 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, I'm 35 weeks today.
Today? Today. Okay.
Today.
And we are trying to help her get baby boy stuff organized and put away in his drawers. And then she's trying to get her closet organized in the process and just get all of this done. She has so many wonderful friends and family
and friends of friends.
Yes.
Family of friends.
And they've had little boys. So she has been blessed with so many clothes. So what mama is trying to do is help her. Because you don't need 50 receiving blankets. You don't need 65 pairs of socks.
You don't want his feet cold.
You don't need 75 onesies.
Accidents happen. Okay, boo-boo juice is real.
Now boo-boo juice.
Boo-boo juice is
So
real.
we are going through things and I'm trying to help her think through the process. Okay? So we won't be overwhelmed. Right now I think she's maybe a little overwhelmed, and
a little is an understatement.
because she can like really go any time now, right?
Basically. Yeah.
I just think it's very important. It's important for her to have everything together. Okay? So that's what mommy is over here trying to help her do. So this is just some of the things that she's gotten so far. Yeah, look at all the bibs, y'all. Look at all the bibs. Oh, look at all the bibs. And then we have onesies and more onesies and more onesies and more onesies. Yeah, and more onesies. And more onesies. And more clothes. Like I said, she has gotten so many clothes from people, and it's just really sweet. But baby, you can't keep everything. And then we have, she's already getting stuff off of her registry. So that's what's over here. So what we've had to do was start packing up stuff that's, what's this, babe? Like 12?
3 to 6 and then 69 and up.
So what we're doing is sorting through everything, and everything she's gotten, she's already washed. We still have some more things that are being washed now. And so we're going to put out like 0 to 3 months, right?
And newborn.
Newborn, 0 to 3 months. And then everything else, we're just going to have to just wait it out because it's just, there's no room for all of that stuff. And then as she's going through some things that she may not want, you know, we could take to Goodwill or what have you. So that's what we're doing. I'm trying to give her some tips on organizing and helping her reel it in and just not keep everything, because it's a whole bunch. It's a whole bunch. Okay, so that's what we're working on. That's what we're working on today. And we're starting by using, like, this is the drawer over here. So we're going to use, you know, some of the little drawer organizers. We have this one. This is a larger one. And this is a smaller one. She already had these. And I had these little smaller ones. So that's what we're going to use in some of the drawers. And then the other drawers, we're just going to leave them be, because we'll have more space if we just, you know, kind of leave them so we can get everything put in there. But this is his little crib area. So we're getting this cleaned out. I've already opened up the newborn diapers and put some here. But y'all look at this little boom boom. Would you look at that? That little boom boom. Is that not the cutest? And just trying to get her organized as much as we can. So she was like, Mom, you want to do a video? I thought well, sure we can, okay? So, let's see what we come up with. Alright, so we've gotten most of the things put away. So, here we have all of his bibs and burp cloths here. And then we have his little mittens there. And y'all, ain't big as a bedroom shoe. What the world? His little bedroom shoes and his little footies there. And this is all newborn stuff in these first 2 drawers. And then here we have all of his onesies and a couple of pairs of pants, and these his sleepers. I'm sorry, sleepers, onesies, a couple of shirts here, and we did go through everything, and some stuff we did decide that we wanted to donate because we just didn't need it all. And then these drawers down here, we are doing, what's this to?
0 to 3.
0 to 3 or 3 to 6? 0 to 3? Okay.
You just put up
Okay, 0 to 3, and 6 months and up, we just have to put that stuff away. But some more sleepers, little jogger pants, and his onesies, and then what do we do down here? Nothing is there. So we still have 2 more drawers, extra space.
More stuff in the dryer. So
yeah, more stuff is in the dryer, and that's just going to stay like that. And then over here, this drawer is connected to the crib. We have all of his receiving blankets. And then over here, we still have several drawers that are, available over here. We just put some of his things that are still in boxes. We just, put them in the drawer to get them out of the way. This is a little caddy that she's going to use. That was a gift, so we just have that sitting here. And then for right now, all of it, look, shoe game all ready.
Don't forget those over here. And his little shoe boxes.
But you look at that. Shoe game already. So this is a shelf that she already had. I just put it up right here, and then that's where we put those for now. Over here in the closet for her things, we added these little bins here to pull out. She's not using them right now, but they're there if she needs to. She mentioned putting some of her electronics or her cords in there. And then she had some pictures that were just on the floor, and I told her we could just put them up in the closet. She didn't really want to put them out, and they were just kind of stacked. So I said, just put them inside your closet, and then it gives your closet, a whole new feel. All right, you guys, it has been a very long day, but we're done. And she has another load of clothes in the wash machine and dryer.
No, just a dryer.
Just a dryer.
Yeah, the wash machine is just towels now. Thank goodness.
So we've gotten, as you guys saw, we got the majority of them put away. So you feel better?
Yes, I feel so much better. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, baby. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. So we just wanted to share this, you guys. There is more to come because baby boy will be here in a few weeks. So we are so excited, and of course we're gonna share that experience with you guys and some other stuff that we need to share about preparing for that day.
Yeah, stupid COVID.
Exactly. But thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you.
We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.